2246.
B85, Stonewall Ave. X-ray. 85 Stonewall Ave, Charles David X-ray 3207. CXD 3207. Gonna be on the record.
It's going right. 1050 Oakley. 1050, 1050. Continue straight, he hit the stop sign. Passing Hopeton Terrace. Someone stay at the entrance. He's going to try to come back around. $10.50 at the end of the street. It's going through a yard, coming back out. The 46, move out. We're almost back to the entrance. $10.50.
Show me your hands! Hands up! Put your hands up! Get on the ground! Drop the gun! Drop it! Hands up! Get down! Get on the ground! Get away from that gun! Put your hands up!